Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create or make slow-mo video in CapCut. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open CapCut application. Here you need to tap in the new project. Now go in for selecting the video that you want to keep changes. After you are done, you tap on add. After adding the video, I am going to mute the sound. For that, you tap in mute clip audio. Now you need to cut the part of the video to make slow-mo. So you need to choose the part of the video where you want to make it a slow-mo. Tap on it, tap on edit, you tap on split. Now you need to choose the another part for the split of the completion. So you tap on edit and you tap on split. Now tap on the part of video you have selected. Here you can see the option of speed on the button, you tap on it. There is two ways to do slow-mo, that is normal and curve. For this video I am going with the normal, so tap on normal. Here you have to shift the point to the left side, that is I am going with a 0.2x. Now after done you tap on tick mark. Now you play the video. As you can see, the slow-mo has been applied in the video that I have selected. Now you can save the file by tapping on the upper. This is how you can make or create the slow-mo video on CapCut. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to create a slow-mo video in CapCut. Thank you.